The Turkish defense company Roketsan has successfully tested its ALKA laser weapon system, a directed energy weapon, DE, designed to neutralize aerial and ground threats. ALKA features a powerful 50 kilowatts laser capable of destroying targets with pinpoint accuracy at distances up to 1 kilometer. The system also offers drone suppression capabilities, disabling electronics at ranges of up to 4 kilometers, making it highly effective against drone swarms. During testing, ALKA proved its versatility by destroying an FPV drone, a fixed-wing UAV, and ground-based threats, including improvised explosive devices. The system demonstrated its ability to penetrate 10 mm thick armor plates, showcasing its potential for protecting infrastructure, convoys, and strategic facilities. With its rapid response and multi-target capabilities, ALKA can engage multiple threats simultaneously. The system operates using a concentrated laser beam to heat and destroy target surfaces, eliminating the need for traditional ammunition and significantly reducing operational costs. For drone suppression, ALKA uses radio frequency jamming to disrupt control and navigation systems. As laser technology advances and components become more compact, ALKA is expected to be integrated into mobile platforms, ships, and aircraft. Roketsan plans to increase the system's range and power to counter more complex threats, such as high-speed missiles and heavily armored vehicles. The successful testing of ALKA underscores the growing role of laser weapons in modern warfare, offering a cost-effective and efficient solution for evolving defense challenges.